welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review EyesCrush for the month of April. So this is the box which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. The price for a monthly subscription is 649 rupees. And as you can make out from the name, in this you will receive some product related to your eyes. You will get one sunglass, you will get some lens and some more product. Now, from where you can buy this box? You can buy this box through Scriber, and the price is 649 rupees. But don't worry, I have a coupon code, so you can use my coupon code. I will be mentioning the link for Scriber plus the coupon code by which you can get 10% discount. 5 is the instant discount and 5% cashback you will get. So in total 10%. Now, why to use Scriber? So there are multiple benefits if you use Scriber. First of all, you will get all the boxes in this website. It's a website, of course. Then they have COD available in some boxes. This is actually a big problem because they don't have the facility for CODs. But if you order through Scriber, you will get that option. Now, of course, the offer is there, 10% discount. So I think it's like really good option if you want a perfect box for you, because they have multiple choices for all the subscription boxes for men, for women, for books, for e-tables, or they have like different choices. So you can choose a perfect box for yourself. Now let's come back to EyesCrush. Now let's start with the first thing. This is the box which I've showed you. Now let's start with the info card. So this is the info card. Looks really interesting, and it says EyesCrush, the Spring Fling Edition. And let's start with the first product. The first product is by Seasoul. This is a massage candle. The price for this one is 300 rupees, and this is the one. So this is how it looks. It's a massage candle by Seasoul. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is EyesCrush your shade, and you have choices for that. You can select shade as per your choice, which is amazing. So now let me show you what I have chosen. The price for this one is 1099 rupees, and this is the one. It's black in color. Of course, black is a safe color, and this is the look. So you can see it's looking really nice, very stylish, and I'm liking it. And if I talk about the quality of this is quite nice. You can just have a look. 1099 is the price, and you have the option to select the shade as per your choice, which is amazing. Moving on to the next one. The next one is by Kronakare. This is the Sweet Dream Pillow Mist. So this is the one. This is by Kronakare, and if I talk about the brand, they have some decent products. So yes, I'm happy that I've received something from Kronakare, and the products looks really interesting. So of course I'm going to use it. The price for this one is 185 rupees. Manufacture of July 2018. Best before June 2020. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a handmade lip balm, and this is by Miva. So Miva is a new brand for me. I have not really used anything from Miva, so looking forward for this one. And the size is quite big, I would say. And this is a glass bottle, so yes, I can feel it's quite heavy. The color is very nice. You can just see it's pinky in the color, and it has beeswax, shea butter, sweet almond oil, pigments, paraben-free, made in India. The price for this is 140 rupees. 25 gram is the quantity, and the manufacture of March 2019. Best before 6 months from the manufacturing date. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is the Color Style One Day Colored Contact Lens. These are the one, and the color is blue. Though I don't wear blue lenses, I prefer gray. But yes, I can try. These are like one-day use lenses, so of course I'm going to try them. The price for these are 424 rupees. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Holistic Tatva. This is the Soothing Aloe Vera Water. And this is the one. So perfect product for summers. Aloe vera water. I have not really used aloe vera water, so yes, looking forward for this one for sure. The quantity is 100 ml for this. The price for this one is 275 rupees. Manufacture of September 2018. So yes, looking forward. That's what I can say. And of course for summers, a good product. Now I'm left with the last one, which is the EyesCrush leather soft case pack for your sunglasses. and this is the one. The price for this one is 249 rupees, and this is the last product. Now I'm left with some cards here. The first one is by Seasoul. This is like 15% off discount card from Seasoul. Then I have 25% off on Kronakare. I have a full booklet of Kronakare products here. Then I have a card from EyesCrush which says thank you. So yeah, that's all what I have received. The total worth of all the product is 2600 plus. And you are just paying 649 rupees. Of course, you are saying 10% if you use my code, which I will be mentioning in the description box. So yeah, that's all about EyesCrush. I will be mentioning everything in the description box with the giveaway link. Yes, guys, there is a giveaway going on my channel. To participate and show me some love. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.